Welcome to my channel. I'm in the middle of making my bags and cutting out patterns. I'm super tired. It's 8:53, almost 9 p.m. right now, and I'm doing all that from the ground. I don't have a working table and my back is aching like no one's business. I think from now on I have to invest in a working table. Like I have to invest in a raised table. I'll go to a local carpenter tomorrow and just inquire about the prices and all that. Anyways, let's continue doing this. Today I want to create the patterns and cut out everything in preparation for sewing them together tomorrow, and I'll show that to you. I'm not sure what time I will finish. So this here is how my room looks at the moment after cutting out patterns. Guys, it's not an easy job. So yeah, I'm just going to continue with all that. Anyways, come along guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly watch the video to the very end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also make sure you comment in the comment section. Guys, it's 11:37 p.m. I'm super sad. I'm so tired. I'm done with cutting out the patterns. I've only managed to cut out four. What am I even saying? I've managed to cut out 4 patterns, and those are what I'll sew tomorrow. I feel super tired. I'm not going to arrange anything sizing. I'll do the arranging tomorrow. Let me go sleep. I'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. I'm done making the bags. I've made 3 handbags and 2 toiletry bags. I'll show them to you. First of all, I'm going to start with this black one. It hasn't come out, it's not good, it's not according to my standards, but I managed to make this one. Just a minute. So here it is. This is how the bag looks. It has this handle which also has the black leather on it. That's the design there. Then I hand stitched this part. It's not looking really nice. I hand stitched it, so it's not so great. But anyways, I was just trying to, I love the inner of this, but it's lined so well. I'm still practicing and lining, so yeah, I managed to make this. The second bag that I made is this blue one with this black patch over here. Has the sleeve. All of them have the bag stands at the bottom. I love this one too. I also hand stitched over here. This I made using my hands because my machine was giving me a lot of trouble, so this is what I managed to make. The lining is also well put. Apart from these parts, they're not well lined. I should have trimmed the edges, but it's okay too. It's a big bag. It can hold a lot of things in here. So this is the second one that I made. Then this is my favorite among them all. This one, it's super cute. I just love it, and it's so classy. I love it. I hand stitched it too, but this is perfect for me. This is a perfect hand stitch. Like the finishing, it's perfect on this side. Look at that. You can't know it's done by hand, right? So this is how the inside looks. It's also a big bag, and it has this metal, it has that, how is it called, magnetic clasp over there that you can use to just close it up. And I'm in love with these. All these bags will be available for sale. If you want this bag or any bag that I've shown, all of them will be available for sale. You can check out the description box. I'll leave my WhatsApp number, and if you go to my WhatsApp, you'll check out the catalog and send me a message of any product that you would love. But I really love this one. Then for the toiletry bags that I made this one that I'm using already. It has my products in here, but I didn't like how this part turned. It's not okay. I didn't stitch it well, but it's fine. I'm still using it. It's a big one. Then another toiletry bag that I made is this one over here. It has no stabilizer or lining on the inside. It's just fox leather, the soft leather. This one is kind of sleeping like this. This one can be like this. You see the difference? This is straight, this is horizontal. Then the zipper, I didn't also put it the right way. The zipper is this way instead of like this, but I will with time I will know how to put them really nicely. So these are some of the products that if you go to my WhatsApp catalog, you will find them, and I will be able to get them across to you. I do deliveries countrywide at the moment, but I'm hoping to extend worldwide, internationally very soon. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and thank you for watching to this point. If you enjoyed, kindly let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.